Okay, so give me 2 minutes and I'll explain to you expanding. So I have something outside the bracket here and something inside the bracket. So x brackets 2 minus 3x. What should I do? I will multiply the x by the 2x, so it's 2x, then minus x multiplied by 3x. Notice that I keep the sign as it is. So it's 3x squared. Expanded, easy, and done. Now I will teach you another method that will give the same result. Okay, so 2 here and minus 3x here, and then I'll put x here. It's called the grid method, and then I will start multiplying. I'll use a different color pen so I don't get confused. X multiplied by 2 is 2x, and x multiplied by minus 3x is minus 3x squared, and my answer is 2x minus 3x squared. Choose whichever method you like, and this is your time to practice. So go ahead, give this a go, and let me know your answer in the comments. Thank you. Okay, so hopefully you tried to go through this question, x and 4x, and then x and 1. So the brackets here mean that we multiply whatever is outside by whatever is inside. So x multiplied by 4x plus x divided by 1. It gives us 4x squared plus x. As simple as that. Hopefully you get this. And we can also use the grid method. So 4x here and positive 1 and x here. And then we use a different color pen. So 4x squared and x. And then we add whatever is in here. So 4x squared plus x. Also the same. Okay, so hopefully you got that. If you still have any questions, please ask them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. How to factorize something like this. So 6a squared minus 18a. What I want you to start doing is look at the smaller number. In this case, it's 6. And the bigger number, 18. Is the bigger number divisible by the smaller number? Yes. In that case, you take the smaller number out. So it's 6 here. And then a squared and a. Take the smallest index, lower index, which is 1 here, and put it outside. And then you divide 6a squared by 6a, you get a, and then keep the sign as it is. 18 divided by 6 is 3, a divided by a is 1, and there you go. Done. Now I want you to pause the video, and I want you to try to solve this question using the same method that we just did. Okay, so hopefully you had a go at this. 6b to the power 3 minus 27b. We take 27. Is it divisible by 6? No. So what should we do? We should take the highest common factor between both of them. In this case, 3. And then b to the power of 3 and b. We take the lower power. And then we divide 6b to the power of 3 by 3b. That will give us 2b power of 2. Take away 27 divided by 3 is 9. And b divided by b is 1. So what you will notice is if you try to multiply that, you will get the original value. Okay, hopefully that was good. And if you still have any questions, ask them in the comments. And thank you.